Thinking about getting into crypto? You're going to need a safe and reliable crypto wallet. A crypto wallet, in simple terms, is a digital wallet where you store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies. It's like your physical wallet, but for digital assets. These wallets can be a software application or a hardware device and are protected by cryptographic security measures. Why is a crypto wallet so crucial? Well, it's all about control and security. When you purchase cryptocurrencies, you're buying digital assets. These assets need a place to be stored, and a crypto wallet provides that safe haven. Imagine if you left your cash or credit cards lying around in public. They'd probably be stolen, right? The same principle applies to cryptocurrencies. If you leave your digital assets on an exchange platform, you're essentially leaving them in public view. Exchanges, while useful for buying and selling cryptocurrencies, are not meant for long-term storage. They are more susceptible to hacking, and in case of a breach, you could lose your investments. This is why you often hear the mantra in the crypto world, not your keys, not your crypto. The keys here refer to the private keys, a complex form of cryptography that allows a user to access his or her cryptocurrency. When you hold your coins in a crypto wallet, you control the private keys. This means you have full control over your investments. If you lose these keys, you lose your crypto. But if anyone else gets them, they gain control over your crypto. So it's critical to keep them safe. Crypto wallets also allow you to manage your portfolio. You can easily send and receive cryptocurrencies, track your balance, and conduct transactions. Some wallets even allow you to swap one crypto for another, all within the wallet interface. So, if you're stepping into the world of crypto, invest in a good wallet. It's the first step to securing your future in the digital economy. Remember, treat your crypto like the $1 million it could be one day. Before we dive into the specifics of various crypto wallets, let's take a brief pause. If you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. It not only helps us reach more people, but it also tells us that you appreciate our content. And if you want to stay updated with the latest in crypto, from wallets to blockchain technology, ICOs to token swaps, then make sure to subscribe to our channel. We're dedicated to bringing you the most accurate and up-to-date information in the world of cryptocurrencies. And don't worry, we're not about to start charging for subscriptions or put our content behind a paywall. All our information is free and accessible, so go ahead, give us a like and hit that subscribe button. Now let's jump back in and explore some of the best crypto wallets available in the market. Let's dive into the Ledger Nano, one of the most secure crypto wallets available. This isn't your average digital wallet. The Ledger Nano is a physical device, a bit like a USB drive, that you can hold in your hand, tuck in your pocket, or stash in a safe place. It's a tangible piece of technology that provides an intangible level of security. Think of it as a fortress for your cryptocurrencies, a stronghold that keeps your digital assets safe from intruders. It's like having your personal bank vault that you can carry around. And this isn't a vault for just one type of treasure. The Ledger Nano supports over 1,000 different cryptocurrencies. That's right, from Bitcoin to Ethereum, Litecoin to Ripple, and 1,000 more, the Ledger Nano has got you covered. Now, let's talk about security features. The Ledger Nano is all about keeping your crypto safe. It does this by keeping your private keys, well, private. These keys are stored in a secure element of the device, isolated from the rest of the world. Even if someone gets their hands on your Ledger Nano, they won't be able to access your keys without your consent. But the Ledger Nano isn't just a secure box. It's also a management tool. With the Ledger Live app, you can easily manage your crypto portfolio. You can check your balance, send and receive cryptocurrencies, and even update your device's firmware, all from the convenience of your smartphone or computer. So, why choose the Ledger Nano? Because it puts you in control. It gives you the power to manage your cryptocurrencies in a secure and convenient way. It's not just about storing your crypto. It's about making it work for you. With the Ledger Nano, you don't have to worry about losing your crypto to hackers or forgetting your keys. You have the peace of mind knowing that your crypto is safe and secure. For the security conscious, the Ledger Nano is a top-tier choice. It's the perfect blend of security, convenience, and control. With the Ledger Nano, you're not just investing in a crypto wallet, you're investing in peace of mind. Starting out in crypto, the Exodus wallet is a perfect choice for beginners. The world of cryptocurrency can seem like a labyrinth to those just dipping their toes in, but fear not. The Exodus wallet is here to make your journey smooth and secure. It's not just a wallet, it's a gateway into the fascinating world of digital finance. Exodus is a multi-currency wallet, meaning it supports a vast range of cryptocurrencies. Whether you're all in on Bitcoin, diversifying with Ethereum, or exploring the frontier with lesser-known altcoins, Exodus has got you covered. But what makes Exodus truly shine is its user-friendly interface. For beginners, the world of crypto can be overwhelming, but Exodus simplifies it all. The wallet features an intuitive design that makes managing your crypto assets as easy as browsing your favorite social media app. No more intimidating graphs and charts, just a sleek, easy to navigate interface. Besides its desktop version, Exodus also offers a mobile version. This allows you to manage your crypto on the go, right from your smartphone. Whether you're checking your balance, sending funds, or even making a purchase, it's all just a few taps away. Now let's talk about support. Have a question or facing a technical glitch? Exodus has a live chat feature providing real-time help. It's like having a crypto expert in your pocket, ready to assist whenever you need. One of the standout features of Exodus is its built-in exchange. This allows you to trade one type of crypto for another directly within the wallet. No need to shuttle your assets between multiple platforms. With the Exodus, you can do it all in one place. While Exodus is not as secure as hardware wallets like Ledger Nano or Trezor, it does offer an extra layer of protection. It integrates with Trezor, offering you the option to upgrade your security as you become more comfortable with the crypto landscape. Visually appealing and user-friendly, Exodus Wallet is a great entry point for crypto newcomers. With its amalgamation of features and focus on user experience, Exodus is more than just a wallet, it's your companion in the world of crypto. Another hardware wallet worth your attention is Trezor. This savvy piece of technology is a bit more than just a safe haven for your digital assets. It's a tool designed with the user experience in mind. Now let's break down why Trezor is a standout among hardware wallets. Firstly, Trezor is highly versatile. It supports a mind-boggling array of over 1,000 different cryptocurrencies. So whether you're a Bitcoin enthusiast, an Ethereum investor, or a fan of lesser-known altcoins, Trezor has got you covered. This wide range of support makes it a suitable choice for both those who prefer to stick to the tried and true big names in crypto and those who enjoy exploring the ever-expanding universe of new digital currencies. But what sets Trezor apart is its commitment to ease of use. Setting up a Trezor wallet is a breeze. even for a crypto novice. The intuitive interface and straightforward instructions make the process of securing your digital wealth as simple as setting up a new email account. And who doesn't appreciate simplicity when dealing with the often complex world of cryptocurrencies? Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the cost. Yes, Trezor is a bit pricier than some other hardware wallets, but remember, you're investing in your financial future. When it comes to securing potentially lucrative digital assets, it makes sense to opt for a wallet that offers a robust set of features and a user-friendly experience. However, it's worth noting that no wallet is impervious to threats. If someone gains physical access to your Trezor device, they could potentially breach its security. But let's put this in perspective. The same could be said of your bank card or even your smartphone. The key is to treat your Trezor wallet with the same care and vigilance as you would any other valuable possession. Despite some drawbacks, Trezor remains a worthy investment for many crypto enthusiasts. It offers a blend of versatility, user-friendliness, and security that makes it a compelling choice in the competitive world of hardware wallets. For those seeking flexible options, Trust Wallet and MetaMask offer mobile and web-based solutions. Let's delve into their features and understand why they are popular choices among crypto enthusiasts. Starting with Trust Wallet, this platform has carved out a niche for itself as a reliable multi-crypto mobile wallet. It allows users to manage a diverse range of cryptocurrencies, right from the convenience of their smartphones. But what sets Trust Wallet apart is its Web3 browser. This feature enables seamless interaction with decentralized applications, or dApps, directly through the wallet. For those who are constantly on the move, Trust Wallet offers a comprehensive solution for managing and interacting with your crypto assets. Now, let's shift our focus to MetaMask. MetaMask is a preferred choice for Ethereum and ERC20 token holders. It functions as a bridge between standard web browsers and the Ethereum blockchain. This functionality is achieved by integrating MetaMask as a browser extension, making it an indispensable tool for Ethereum dApp users. With MetaMask, you can comfortably navigate the Ethereum ecosystem without having to leave your web browser. It's worth noting that while Trust Wallet and MetaMask offer great flexibility, they should not be the only line of defense for your crypto assets. Always remember to follow best security practices like keeping your private keys offline and enabling two-factor authentication. In conclusion, Trust Wallet and MetaMask bring unique features to the table. Trust Wallet's mobile-first approach, combined with its Web3 browser, makes it a one-stop solution for mobile users. On the other hand, MetaMask's integration with web browsers facilitates easy and efficient interaction with the Ethereum blockchain. Whether you're on the go with Trust Wallet or navigating the web with MetaMask, both provide versatile solutions for managing your crypto assets. So there you have it, a roundup of some of the best crypto wallets in 2024. We've walked through the secure Ledger Nano, a piece of hardware that's like Fort Knox for your crypto. We've examined the Exodus wallet, a free user-friendly option with an integrated exchange. We've looked at the Trezor, another solid hardware option with the added benefit of being more beginner-friendly. And we've explored the Trust Wallet and MetaMask, perfect for those who prefer to operate on mobile or through the web. Each of these wallets brings something unique to the table, whether it's superior security, ease of use, built-in exchanges, or compatibility with different types of cryptocurrencies. Your choice will depend on your individual needs and the level of security you're comfortable with. Remember, your choice of wallet can make or break your crypto journey. Choose wisely and secure your future.